Hi everybody, this is Tony. So today we're gonna compare. I'm changing tires on my machine, and I have right now I've got Firestone super traction loaders. They came with the machine. Firestone super traction. This is 1 year's work, as we can see. So right now I have a decision to take. Do I go with the original? The original, which is the same thing, Firestone. You can see here it's super traction loader. Or do I go with, these are beefy baby tires from Galaxy. I don't know if you can see them here, but Galaxy, and they're called beefy babies. Yep. Beefy. Now they're 14 plies. 14 ply tires. Now if we put them one beside the other, like so, you can see the difference. They're a little bit higher, but when we inflate them, they're going to shorten up a bit. Now if we can see the difference in the tractions, the beefy babies seem to have less space between the lugs. This part right here. And they seem to be thicker too, if we take them. Take in consideration the thickness of the lugs. As we can see here, and they seem to be all throughout. As we can see here on the Firestones, I'd say they're about 2 fingers. As you can see here, they're about the same thing, more or less. So I'm deciding what to take. And you know what? This is a rim protector right here. It's a rim protector which avoids the scarring on the sides right here. What do I take? I think I'm going to take the beefy baby. Anyways, I'll keep you posted, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks a lot. This is Tony.